Welcome to Lake Victoria, where calmness meets the soul. Every heart of the lake is refreshing. From the natural waters to the sun and the whisper of birds. The natural sun is to die for. Spend a day here and your life will be fully refreshing, renewed and rejuvenated. Enjoy the magic of Lake Victoria in East Africa. When I first visited the shores of Lake Victoria, I was blown away by the cool natural breeze of the lake. The sun shines brighter, but still the whisper of the lake waves calms your soul and are to die for. At night you get to experience its night breeze. You can sleep, have a date and rewind your life quietly. Welcome to this magic of life.